just stopped at a beach town called Agios Gordios, the southwest coast, I believe. Very busy, not a lot of parking, pretty hectic for the parking, so I had to drive around a while. If you are bringing a car down here, do not go all the way to the beach because you will not be able to turn around. You'll have to back out through the street. So let's go check out this beach.
When you come to a place like this, you're kind of speechless. It's just that beautiful, and you can't explain it, you can't quite describe it, and I don't think you really see it on the camera, but you just have to come and feel it.
The water is so clear. This is just a great beach.
There's chairs that you can pay for, but there's also a lot of places you can put your own towel down, and it doesn't seem to be a problem on this beach.
It's warmer than you would think.
I'm surprised by how warm it is, actually. I was expecting it to be a little bit chillier, but it's not. It's perfect.
Hot sand, hot sand, hot sand, hot sand. Ouch, 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 ouch. If you happen to stop in this town for a lunch, the grill house is an amazing gyro place that you can fill yourself up for one of the best gyros that you will ever have for under €5. Stop in and support this local business, they're amazing. After an amazing lunch, a nice walk on the beach, a nice fire walk across the sand, we're off to the next destination, Paleokastritsa, where we're going to be staying for the next few nights. Paleokastritsa is on the west coast of Corfu Island, and this is by far one of the most beautiful, picturesque places that you will find.
So we're going to be here for the next 3 days, and we're going to explore this area. It's known for its beautiful beach bays, beautiful blue water. There's a monastery, and they also take a bunch of boat rides from here as well. So we'll show you along the way and show you what we have to offer in this area.
Lots of cliffs, beautiful homes up on the cliffs as well. It's just a gorgeous area. So yeah, let's go check out Paleokastritsa.
Say that 5 times over.
Let's go check out Paleokastritsa. So we're at the public beach right now, Agios Gordos. It's the busiest public beach, and we're here very early, but it's starting to fill up very quickly. Now the cliff above here is a place where you can hike up to go see a monastery as well. There's an old monastery up there, and you can just see how beautiful this bay is. Lots of people over here taking some boat trips. This is just one of the many bays and beaches that you can see in this Paleokastritsa area. So the name of the place we're staying at is called the Paleo Inn, and it's got a really great pool. It's also got this amazing view. It's supposed to only be a 2-minute walk to the closest beach, and there's some restaurants close by as well.
So we're just coming down the stairs to a place called the Grotto, and it's quite a popular place in Paleokastritsa, and it's supposed to be a fun place to come for some drinks and some bevies, and everybody's swimming, so we're going to check it out and let you know if it's worth it. Very loud.
So we just drove way up in the hills to a monastery called Agios Athanasios, I'll put the wording down below.
Very scenic drive though, so at least you get to see sort of the mountainous area, the hilltop towns. But this monastery is the Monastery of the Women. What a great stop. Though the sisters were absolutely lovely in showing us their area, but we would definitely recommend coming and visiting. It's very serene, tranquil, beautiful, beautiful property. And the churches here are extremely different than the ones we've seen in other parts of Europe, but we're really glad that we came. And if you want to go have a little excursion for the day and get away from the heat, come check it out.
They sell local products to any of the visitors that come, so you can get your marmalades and your jams and soaps and all the artwork that the sisters make themselves as well. So if you get a chance, come check it out. We're at the Valignon olive oil farm. Took another little hectic drive to get here, but we'll check out an olive oil farm. Charcuterie boards. Aside from like incredibly tasting olive oils and olives, they also have these wood carvings, and her husband makes all of the wood here, and it's all made out of the olive tree. So that's pretty cool too. Charcuterie boards and different boards, but pretty cool stop. Absolutely great tasting olive oil. You should get a chance and see an olive oil farm. Stop by when you're in Greece and just taste it, because it's a good experience. So we just stopped at a town called Doukades, right above Paleokastritsa. It's about a 10-minute drive. And this small little hilltop town has 3 tavernas that are all highly rated for food.
We also have a couple little cafe shops and places to sit and eat, but it's quite small, very quaint. There's a little church in the middle here with a little square, but super cute town.
We ate at the corner taverna. It was absolutely fantastic. We filled ourselves up with a couple beers, what else?
Tzatziki, a massive Greek salad, some Greek meatballs, came with fries, some bread, and a big huge bottle of water because it's hot, and all for, that was about 35 euros.
Amazing food, and like I said, you can't go wrong with any of the 3 tavernas up here. So if you have a car and you want to get away from the touristy spots, it is a little cheaper to come up here and eat.
Good little day trip. When your body can't take any more sun and you need a break, it's a good little road trip if you have a car.
Now the streets up to Doukades are very, very narrow, so it is a little touch and go when somebody's coming at you. But they do have a parking lot if you just pass the taverna, past the kind of center of town. You can't miss it, it's a corner. There is a parking lot down below that you can park your vehicle and go up and have a great meal. Now there's also a monastery above Paleokastritsa, and we're heading there right now. But when you come up here, you can drive. There is a parking lot. There's buses that come up here as well. When you drive up here, you're going to see an incredible bay view of the clearest water. It's spectacular. People swimming in the boats and everything. So cool.
The monastery of Paleokastritsa offers stunning views of the Ionian Sea and is a site of religious and historical significance. Established in the 13th century and rebuilt in the 18th century, it is dedicated to the Virgin Mary, whose revered icon is believed to have miraculous powers. The monastery also features a small museum displaying religious artifacts and manuscripts. Its peaceful gardens and spiritual atmosphere make it a popular destination for pilgrims and tourists alike, blending history, faith, and natural beauty.
Yeah. beautiful monastery. It is free to get in. However, if you would like to go pee, it costs you €2.
€2 a pee, that's $3 Canadian.
So hold it.
Yeah, it's an expensive part of our trip is budgeting in Jim's continual pee break.
So I'm costing more than the monasteries cost. What did you think of Paleokastritsa?
Oh, it was a very unique area to stay in. It was mountainous. The hotels were all kind of staggered amongst the coastline. Beautiful bays, like the views and the watercolor were spectacular. It was a really quiet place, so it was kind of nice to just have a little bit of beach time and a little bit of pool time, some downtime, but definitely worth visiting on the island of Corfu.
Yeah, lots of beaches to get around to. If you do have a car, it's a easy, probably half hour, 45-minute drive from Corfu town.
Not far at all,
yeah,
but pretty drive.
Spectacular views though. I think that's the attraction of that area is the views. Yeah. Lots of great restaurants. We stayed there for 3 nights.
3 nights.
Which was enough. I feel that was enough. Lots of boat tours you can take. We didn't get a chance to get one. Now,
I think Jim got a little bit of sunstroke, so we had to take it easy and took a few drive into some small villages, which we've shown you in this video as well. And definitely put it on your list if you come to Corfu though.
So now we're moved up island. Make sure you stick around for that next video. We're in Sadari.
Sadari.
So, which is on the north coast of Corfu.
Excited to show you in the next video all the things that we come across here in Sadari as well.
Definitely loving the chill vibe in Sadari for sure.
So stay tuned and thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Oh my God.